Harry Kane has opted for an all-out attack after being tasked with picking his Premier League five-a-side team. The Tottenham star and England captain also selflessly refused to pick himself when asked by Amazon Prime Video Sport to form a five-man team comprising only Premier League stars. Kane, 28, selected two Spurs teammates, but also nabbed two Chelsea stars despite his club's fierce rivalry with their London neighbours. In an attack-minded setup, so manager, he began. I'll go Hugo Lloris in goal, Sonny Son Heung-min up top, Mo Salah up top. I'll go for N'Golo Kante in midfield. I kind of need to put a defender in there as well, don't I? I'll go for Reece James as defender. He has been fantastic this year and he can do some great attacking as well. So I am going all-out attack. Kane has been uncharacteristically quiet this campaign, scoring just 5 goals in 19 Premier League games, and Antonio Conte will be desperate for his man to start firing as he eyes a place in the top 4. The England captain sought a summer exit to Manchester City in 2021, but Daniel Levy steadfastly refused to sanction a sale, and Kane has been unable to rediscover his goal-scoring touch since. The North Londoners currently sit in 7th place, 2 points behind Manchester United in 4th, with 2 games in hand.